Number 6. Tunatumia verb to be pia kuexpress rangi. Kwa mfano, the pen is red. It is red. The books are blue. The milk is white. The leaves are green. They are green. Negative, tasema they are not green. They are yellow. The books are not blue. They are white. Milk isn't white. It is yellow. Is milk white? Yes, it is. No, it is not. Are the books green? Yes, they are green. No, they are not green. Are the leaves green? No, they aren't green. They are yellow. Number 6. Tunatumia verb to be to express time. It is 7 o'clock. Today is Thursday. It's Thursday. You're early today. Umewahi leo. The meeting is late. Mkutano umechelewa. The party is tomorrow. Sherehe ni kesho. Okay? Negative, kama kawaida, naongeza not. The party is not tomorrow. It is today. You're not late today. You're early. Leo hujachelewa, umewahi. It's not 7 o'clock now. It is 8 o'clock. Is it 8 o'clock now? Saizi ni saa 2. No, it isn't 8. It is 7. Sio saa 2, ni saa 1. Is she early today? Amewahi leo? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Number 8. Tunatumia verb to be kuelezea price, bei. Kwa mfano, it is expensive, ni ghali. It is cheap, ni rahisi. Kama ni viatu wingi, viko viwili, nasema they are expensive. They are cheap. Oh, bei rahisi. How much is this? Hii ni bei gani? Is this. Verb to be. It is 5,000 shillings. Ni shilingi 5,000. How much are these shoes? They are 20,000 shillings. Ni. It means the shoes are 20,000 shillings. They are. Okay? Verb to be. Tunaitumia pia kuongelea bei za vitu. How much are the mangoes? They are 2,000 shillings. Their price is 2,000 shillings. The total is 10,000 shillings. Is when we talk about price. Kama unakumbuka somo la what's the weather like, tuliongelea pia weather. Unapoongelea hali ya hewa, tunatumia verb to be. The weather is hot today. Oh, it is very cold. Ni baridi. The wind is strong. Upepo ni mkali. The weather is very sunny. Hali ya hewa ni jua sana. Okay? It is not hot. It is warm. Sio joto sana leo. Leo hali ni vuguvugu. The wind is not strong. It is cool. It is fine. Upepo sio mkali. Ni shwari. What is the weather like? Hali ya hewa ikoje? Pia tunapoongelea marital status, hali ya relationship ya mtu. Kwa mfano, they are married. They are married. Ni wanandoa, okay? I am married. It means ni mwanandoa. She is single. Yuko single. They are engaged. Ni wachumba. He is married. They are married. Verb to be. Kumbuka nimesema kwenye present be inakuwa am, is au are. Question: are they married? Yes, they are married. No, they are not married. Are they engaged? Yes, they are. Is she single? Yes, she's single. No, she's not single. She's married.